Okay, question 3 asks us to say whether each of these relations sketched passes the vertical line test and whether it passes the horizontal line. I'm going to do all my vertical lines in red. And if I can do it so that it'll touch it more than once, that's where I'm going to put it. So for example, here wouldn't touch it more than once. I would move it over to here because it would. Ah, no. Oh, come on. Okay. So, horizontal. This is a fail, it hits it twice. The other ones that hit twice, copy this one, definitely. Number 3, no, it's fine. Number 4, yeah, definitely. Number 5 is fine. Number 6, come on. Definitely fails. Okay, now let's do our vertical line tests in blue. Oh, okay. Brain fail. They were my vertical line tests. I just drew a whole series of vertical lines and called them horizontal. I'm tired. So, vert, 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 which means all the others pass. Because it only hits it once. Okay, now let's do our horizontals in blue. Horizontal. Doesn't matter where I move this horizontal line, it'll only hit this circle once or less than once. So pass. Here, if I put it here, it'll fail it. If I put it down here, it'd pass it, but no, I care about making it, like if it can fail it all, it fails. Because here it hit it here and here. Horizontal line, again, fail because it hits it twice there. Horizontal line, oh, that's the worst horizontal line I've done today. There we go, that's definitely a fail. Horizontal line, doesn't matter where I put my line, I'm only going to hit this thing once. Don't want to put it at the same point, there we are. And horizontal line, once again, doesn't matter where I put it, it's only going to hit the graph, the black line, the graph, once. Okay, we have question E as well. Let's see what E says to do. It says to classify each graph as one-to-one, many-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many. Let me, oh, actually, oh, come on. Sorry that this is wasting so much of your time. Right, come on, you can play ball. Now, there's a fairly standard thing. So 1 to 1, many to 1, 1 to many, and many to many. And we're going to classify them by the vertical line and the horizontal. So, 1 to 1, pass both. Many to 1, pass the vertical, fail the horizontal. 1 to many, fail the vertical, pass the horizontal. Many to many, fail both. So, with this first one, that was a fail then a pass, then that's 1 to many. With this second one, that was a fail and fail, that's many to many. This one, pass, fail, that's many to one. This one, that's fail, fail, many to many. That's an easy one to remember. This one, that's pass, pass, that's 1 to 1. Another way to call that is on to, weirdly. And then fail, pass, I've got 1 to many. Technically what that means is that, for example, if we were looking at 1 to many, that means one value of x can spit out many values of y. So that's why it fails the vertical line test, because the vertical line test is checking for one value of x and seeing if it spits out more than one value of y. Many to many, well then more than one value of x spits out more than one value of y. So one value of x can do two values of y, and one value of y can do two values of x. If I have many to one, then many values of x can spit out the same value of y. So, for example, the horizontal line hits it twice because that's the one value of y, but we're testing the different values of x, and more than one value of x hits that same value of y. Many to many, yeah, we've been through that. 1 to 1, one value of x will only spit out one value of y. And 1 to many we've talked about. Okay,